How's it going, everybody? Welcome to a brand new episode of Crypto Clout. I am your host, FaZe Crypto, and today we are going to be talking about all of the latest and greatest news in the cryptocurrency space. Today is, of course, May 12th, 2019, and I suppose today is a good as day of any to look at some of these different news articles that are popping up on the cryptocurrency space. And of course, I think that it's appropriate to talk about where Bitcoin currently stands at that $7,102. It's been a remarkable week for Bitcoin altogether. Everything said and done, it's a pretty exciting time to see a lot of the different things that have been happening within the cryptocurrency space. And of course, I think that we're going to be seeing some pretty exciting movements. Overall, when we want to talk about where Bitcoin and all these different things are going to be going from here on out, it's pretty exciting to see how the crypto has been able to move past a lot of people's expectations, and I think that right now we're looking at the potential for the $8,000 Bitcoin, could be right around the corner. And I think that it's also pretty exciting to see how, we've got, when all things considered, I think that right now, if you would buy a crypto in 2018, the end of 2018, right now you'd be looking at about a 75% increase, which is pretty interesting. And Bitcoin's almost up 100% now in 2019. Don't get distracted, though. This game is accumulation. How many of the 21 million Bitcoin do you own? Which is pretty interesting. I mean, right now is a time when people can really be collecting their cryptocurrencies and really accumulating, and I think that that's really what it's all about. I'm pretty excited to see Bitcoin's first $1,000 week since 2017, market 9-month high. Bitcoin surged more than $1,000 this weekend to the highest level since August, as cryptocurrencies extended their rebound from a slump last month amid the New York Attorney General's investigation of a key part of the market. Bitcoin rose as much as 6.9% to 7,445 before trading at 7,323. And it is pretty exciting to see how a lot of these things are moving across and developing. Of course, it is interesting to look at how XRP has been moving along. I think it is critical to look at what's happening with a lot of these different cryptos. When we want to talk about the early stage of the crypto industry was a really big change, and challenge when Bitcoin emerged into the crypto space. Many people called it different names. Some called it a scam, while others said it was a Ponzi. Even some top players in the tech industry called it a bubble. However, as the years go by, many are beginning to see the potentials and benefits of digital currencies. The underlying technology of most cryptos, blockchain, is one of the most useful and innovative technologies and the world has ever seen. One cryptocurrency that has solved a lot of problems and proven to be very useful in the crypto space is XRP. The price of XRP has also been very impressive, and it bagged several partnerships. Bullish XRP price prediction 2019 and XRP news. So I think that it is interesting to see how Ripple has been taking XRP in all these different directions. And overall, it's going to be the activities on this front. Definitely Bitcoin's on the front line of and of course looking at the top performers. At the time making this video, we got Arc Block coming in as the top performer, which this crypto Arc Block, it is kind of a funny one to Google. This Arc Block, introducing the easiest way to build blockchains. I wonder why, developer ready, our development framework features hundreds of open source components, flexible SDK, and documentation. This is, I've been looking into, these different things, go beyond and get what you need, become a blockchain expert. This is one of those cryptos that I've been paying attention to from its conception. And Arc Block platform. It's just interesting to go over some of these white paper. I spend hours every single day just looking at the white paper for these different Arc Block technical white paper. It's just interesting to look at. Read some of these. The purpose of this document is to provide a high-level technical overview of the Arc Block platform, then yada yada. I think we look at the core components. These different things. What really sets these cryptos that have been able to manage at the top performance. Of course, Arc Block being the top performer at the time making this video, so just using it as an example. I think of course Bitcoin Cash coming in, Bitcoin Gold. I think that the future is a lot simpler than people give the space credit for. Crypto is one of those things that's really the over complexity that it gets faced with is almost baffling to me, because when it really comes down to it, I think that there is a lot of potential in the space that for people who are low IQ have just as much potential, even more so than people who are overthinking these things. I've known people as well who've made plenty of money off of Doge coin, and that's one of the reasons why we have Elon Musk as the profile picture on this video. It's interesting to see how the space has been maturing, and the overall conception of what cryptocurrency is actually going to mean moving forward. Why the Bitcoin price defines the cryptocurrency market. This Yahoo Finance article is pretty interesting. Since the creation of Bitcoin, there's only ever been cryptocurrency at the top, despite thousands of competitors being created. Bitcoin price dominance. If you guys get a chance, definitely make sure that you go and look at that article, because it is interesting to see how the Bitcoin price and all these different things have really shaped the way that these things have been moving along and developing. And I am very excited to see where the cryptocurrency space is going to be developing itself from here on out. But it has been a very interesting week for Bitcoin. That 7,000, we'll see where it goes from here, but it is a confidence builder to see the fact that it's been able to perform where it is right now. Of course, market cap being at 212 now. Bitcoin dominance at 51.1% of the market, which is pretty insane if you really think about it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Obviously make sure you remember this video is for entertainment, educational purposes only. Of course, obviously this video is not financial advice or anything like that. I'm actually going to be uploading content onto my this brand new channel, so everybody out there who wants to be up to date on the new content, make sure that you guys go and subscribe to my new channel. Where we're going to be doing some pretty big things over there, moving over a lot of content and talking about future upcoming things that are going to be happening involving the cryptocurrency YouTube sort of space. And we'll be doing a lot of interesting things. What's good, everybody, in the chat. So, I guess we'll turn over, the next part of this live stream to whoever wants to, basically ask any questions or talk about any different things, that are happening in the cryptocurrency space. But yeah, I'm excited to see where Cardano is actually going to be taking this space. Where the different things that have been happening, involving Cardano. And where a lot of these different cryptos that I've been paying attention. I'm actually excited to see what's been happening with how cryptocurrency integration with smartphones and all these different things. So I am very excited to see how the cryptocurrency space has been maturing and developing, and respectively when it comes to a lot of these different things. But once again, here's the link. The link to my new channel. Just to plug that one more time, just so that how many subscribers we got? It up to 14 already. It was at 0 just now, so 14's not bad. If 14 of you have already gone over there from the live stream, 15, yeah, thanks everybody. For helping the new channel grow, so that we could put out some 16. Yeah, thank you everybody for following that link and growing the new channel. I'm actually going to be making videos about different like cryptocurrency. Like, so if you guys have like a request that you want me to do, like for a video, I'll probably make that video and put it on this channel. 20 subscribers already. That's pretty awesome. 21. Just a big fat thanks to everybody who's helping this channel grow already. 21 subscribers is pretty good. Just because I haven't even uploaded a video on that channel yet, and we've already got it up to 21. So good stuff. I am pretty excited to see where Cardano and these different cryptos have been headed. VeChain request if possible. Well, the way that we're going to be doing those requests is I'm actually just going to upload a video onto my new channel, and it'll have, like, in a comment section down below, people will be able to basically go on there and say what they want to say, like as far as requests for future videos and stuff like that. So there'll be a whole protocol. So if you guys have any, and we'll be sharing that through like the network and stuff like that. But ETN, right? It is sort of interesting to see like what that is. Yeah. Electronium all-time low, maybe 12th. Yeah, I'm starting to have mixed feelings about it as well. But I suppose we'll see how XRP is about to plummet, you think? Yeah, how do you guys feel about XRP? Let me know in the chat. I'd love to hear your opinions. Yeah, XRP at 31. Once it goes down far enough, I'll probably pick some up. I'm always yeah, I'm interested in filling my bags. Yeah, I think Hollow has potential as well. Videos on Apollo, please. Yeah, I mean, I'll probably make a video on Apollo in the future, and share it out on my other channel just for content creation purposes. So for anybody who's interested in what I'm up to, going to be sort of branching out and going live on this other channel, which will be pretty exciting to be able to make, because I've realized that mostly people who come to my channel are interested in seeing content that's related to cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, but I really want to branch out and create content that's relevant to a wider audience. So yeah, I'll put that link in the description one more time. Yeah, I really want to start making videos about like e-commerce and like is anybody out there who's watching this, do you guys know anything about like Amazon marketing or like drop shipping or anything like that? Right, because I was thinking I want to like make like a Discord or something like that where like we could all talk about like just not only cryptocurrency but like a wide range of like ways that people, like entrepreneurial people, like make money online, which is something that I'm interested in. So I mean, it is a exciting time for entrepreneurship, and ambitious sort of stuff online. Yeah, I miss the days. Yeah, the movie Napoleon Dynamite. Yeah, that's a good movie. But yeah, I do definitely miss the days of $3,000 Bitcoin. I mean, that really was the time to accumulate. Now people just have to deal with. I mean, we talked about it. I mean, we were on these live streams talking about it every single day. How the potential was there. And now people who didn't seize the opportunity are just going to have to deal with what they got, and the price of a Bitcoin and all these different things. But yeah, I mean, that's sort of the name of the game. That's why we're at the beginning of a very interesting time in history. The age of digital cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. So, we're going to see a lot of this stuff starting to happen. But yeah, so all that being said, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I mean, I'm closely following the Facebook cryptocurrency and where we can expect that to be going. That's definitely it piques my interest just to think about the future of people using cryptocurrencies and how these different things are going to be important, to a large extent. It is exciting to see. And yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Of course, remember, I'm not your dad. But yeah, so have a good one, and we will continue to make more content for you guys in the near future. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, all that being said, have a good one.